welcome back to a new video. Delvin Smith here with you guys today, and today I'm going to be vlogging for you guys. I've seen a few comments where people want me to vlog, and plus I've just not vlogged in a long time, so I want to do that, just a real realistic day in my life vlog for you guys. So it is right now, I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 3:30 in the afternoon right now. And I woke up about an hour ago. I woke up like 2 o'clock today. And I just got out of the shower. And I just got dressed. And I'm going to give you guys an outfit of the day when I go back upstairs. And yeah, it's raining outside today. It's raining outside today, so it's just going to be a rainy day vlog. You know, that type of stuff. I do got one thing I need to do today. I have an appointment somewhere. I'm here in a few minutes, so I'm getting ready to leave and go there for an appointment somewhere. And I'm going to give you guys a bedroom tour in this video because the last time I vlogged, like, I lived at a different place, and since then I've moved to, like, I have an apartment now. So, I'm gonna give you guys a new bedroom tour, like a bedroom tour, and an outfit of the day before I leave. So, before we jump right into the vlog, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. And let's get this vlog on the road. Alright, so I just made it upstairs. Let me turn the light on so I can show you guys what I'm wearing today. I just got ready for the day. It's just so, like, we've not had a rainy day here in forever. Like, it's been so hot the last few weeks. And, like, it's nice, like, just raining and stuff. Alright, outfit of the day. Let's get that going. So, the shirt I have on is a Hollister t-shirt. And then I have on these Hollister sweatpants. Just a cozy little outfit since it's raining today. So, Hollister t-shirt and Hollister sweatpants for the outfit today. I need to clean that mirror off a little bit because it looks dirty and I've not cleaned it in forever. So, I'll take it back down. Sorry if that was a bad little angle. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a bedroom tour in this video. Like I said, this is my bedroom. I'll give you guys a tour in a few minutes. And also, one more thing I have to do today is clean out this turtle tank. So I have a 10-gallon tank in my bedroom. It has 2 turtles in it. And I have to run to the dollar store to get 5 gallons of water to put in it. And I'm gonna clean that out today. That usually takes about 45 minutes to do that. And then I think that's about all we have to do today. If I don't do enough today, then we'll run this vlog into tomorrow. So, yeah. Here we go, show my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my flipping 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 god. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. It is raining cats and dogs today. Oh my god, I got soaked. I'm wet. Oh Lord. Let me start my engine. Will my engine start? There it is. Oh my gosh, I just got soaked. Look at the rain. I got soaked. My phone is soaked. Everything is wet. I didn't know it was raining this bad. Gosh. That's horrible. Horrible. Alright guys, so just got in the car as you guys can see. Drinking a Gatorade. And I'm gonna head down here to this appointment. Real fast, it's at 4 o'clock. Dread going in. What we'll do. Then I'm gonna run by the dollar store, come back, clean that out, give you guys some more footage. And yeah. I just got to this appointment thing and I'm sitting in front of the building, so yeah, I had to drive like 20 miles per hour to get down here because it's like pouring the rain, and I'm a little embarrassed to go in here, but whatever. Well, it's kind of went down now. I'm still a little embarrassed to go in here because I don't know who's in here. So yeah, let's go in here. I can't film in here, but I will update you guys when I get out. So, alright, so I just had that appointment, and I'm now at the Dollar General. I gotta go in here and get a few things, like some snacks, and I gotta get some water and stuff. So I want to run in here. Drake going in here too. So the rain's like slowed down, but it's still raining a little bit. So I want to go into the dollar store, and I might film in here, I might not. So okay. I just got out of the dollar store. There's all the stuff I got. I kind of showed you guys what I got in there. I might show you guys when I get home. I'm gonna go home, clean this turtle tank out, give you guys a bedroom tour, cook some dinner with you guys, and yeah, we're gonna keep vlogging. I might not be good at this, where I'm not vlogged in a while, but I'm trying. Sure, I hate going in places. Like I'm out of breath right now carrying all that water. Like Jesus Christ, you gotta carry it all back in. So, alright, so I just went back home from the dollar store, and I have a horrible headache for some reason. But yeah, just got back from the dollar store. I'm gonna put that in the light. I came home, made me a nice coffee. Pretty good. That's actually better than like if you went out and bought a nice coffee. So, yeah. Just out of the dollar store. I'm gonna clean this turtle tank out and eat dinner. So, then give you guys a bedroom tour. So, and enjoy my nice coffee. So I just woke up not too long ago. It's the next day. After I ate yesterday, I didn't do anything else. So I'm just going to continue this vlog into today as well, because I do have a few things to do today. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to get dressed, get ready for the day. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've not been up long at all. So I'm going to get ready for the day, make my bed, and pick up my room a little bit, and then I'm going to run to AT&T to pick something up, and yeah, we'll see where today goes. Alright, so I just took the garbage out from the upstairs. The downstairs is not that full yet. And I changed the bags for the bathroom and then my room. And I'm starting to get a headache. I don't know if it's that Monster I'm drinking or what, but I'm starting to get a headache. It's now 4:30 and this turtle tank, I cleaned it yesterday, but it's cloudy and I don't know why. If y'all have an aquarium, a fish tank or something, and your water gets cloudy, what do you use to fix it? Because I mean, it might clear up over time, I don't know. So yeah, I just gotta go. We're gonna fix dinner together and eat, and then bedroom tour and AT&T. That's all I gotta do today. And yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna give you guys a bedroom tour of my bedroom and show you guys where I got everything. That way if you may like something here, you guys can go see if they got it. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a bedroom tour, so here we go. So this is what you see when you first come in. This is the door. And this is what you see when you first come in the door. So we'll start right over here. I have this little picture. Trash can. And then my, what's it called? A chest with pictures on it, lamp, lint rollers. You're never gonna have enough of those. And then this poster. I watched that podcast, and so over here I have a mirror right there to get ready. And right here I have my nightstand, a Squishmallow, AirPods, that type of stuff. And then here's my bed right here. Then over here I have my TV, and that's some of my clothes. That's my closet. That's my hoodies and stuff. Then right there's the window, my AC unit. That way we don't roast during the summertime. And I got these curtains from Amazon. They're actually blackout curtains. That way I can sleep through the day and no light comes through the window. So I got those from Amazon. They actually match my comforter. I got the comforter from Kohl's. So then right here we have this desk. It's got a wax warmer on it, the turtle tank, and then it's got that thing on it, lamp, a mini fridge, and just some of my cologne and stuff like that. And then I got this Gucci picture from Ross. It was like $50, I think. And then I got that picture from Hobby Lobby. So I think it was like $25. Then I got this calendar to just, plan out my days and stuff. So a little calendar there, dry erase, a bulletin board, and then a little thing there. So that was the bedroom tour of my bedroom. Might have been a little messy, I don't know. I keep it clean though. These LED lights, I got those from Amazon as well. And they was actually really cheap. I got like 60 foot and they went all the way around my room. And I still had like some left right here. And they was like $10 for all of those. And they're Bluetooth. They Bluetooth to your phone. You can operate them from your phone. So those are nice. And yeah guys, if I didn't tell you where I got something and you like something in here, just comment below. So yeah, that was the bedroom tour. And yeah, and that's my bedroom. So